Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And I know this is going to be hard to believe, but we've never had In-N-Out Burger.
So let's try it out.
Let's go. All right, so one thing I know about In-N-Out Burger is there's like a secret menu, but I actually don't know much about it. I've heard of animal style and I've heard protein style. Protein style is supposed to be no bun.
Oh.
I don't really understand what animal style is, so I feel like we gotta get at least one animal style thing.
I think there's an animal style fries. I know that.
Okay, well, we're gonna get a lot of stuff. Getting a seat may be difficult. Check out this place is chaos. I hear they're fast though. Well, the menu looks pretty simple. All right, so this place is a madhouse. No tables around. Luckily, we have a room that is close by. We might end up going there unless the table opens up. Ended up,
6 and 8, please.
we got 2 double-doubles, 1 animal style, a fry, 1 animal fry, 2 chocolate shakes, 33 bucks. Mid-strip. This is actually a great price.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
So, could end up being good, but some chaos to get to it. No seats were found.
We had to haul Heine back to her room.
Yeah, we're actually staying at the Flamingo, and we had thought we were gonna overorder, but the truth is, like, there's there's burgers and fries. The menu is so simple. Like, how do you?
A single burger and a double burger. So I got a double with onion. Looks like a basic cheeseburger.
Did you add the onion or?
He asked me if I wanted onion, and I said yes, because I'll take onion all the time.
Yeah.
Now
Looks
there is
good.
some kind of sauce on here.
Is it Thousand Island, or is you think it's like a maybe mayo and ketchup? I'm wondering.
I'm thinking Thousand Island by the looks of it. Lettuce, tomato, onion, 2 small patties. It looks like a very simple fast food burger.
Sure.
So,
I mean, which it is, and it's priced that way.
and it's priced that way. The line moved super fast.
I can't believe how fast it moved.
Yeah, I'm loving the bun because it's nice and soft. It's a good burger. What I really like about it is the veggies seem very fresh, which sometimes on a fast food burger it doesn't.
Yeah, it's like the iceberg, just chopped up lettuce.
And I got regular fries. Now, of course, I think these would have been great if they were fresh.
Now, it was probably maybe, 5 minutes?
5 minute walk.
Our bag was open, so it wasn't just steaming inside there.
No, but I always think fries are best. Like, you can't ever take them home.
Immediately.
Like, you have to eat them right away.
Like within 15 seconds of out of the fryer.
But these are nice shoestring potatoes with a nice salt and pepper on them. I really like them. I'm going to eat them.
Yeah. And then they did give ketchup. Rachel was able to grab some, but that was when we weren't sure if we'd get a table or not.
Yeah. Also picked up a chocolate shake because they're $3. $2.95 for a chocolate shake. I will take that. I always love dessert.
Let's save that dessert.
That's true.
All right, so like I said, I had heard before about protein style and animal style. I don't remember what any of that is because we never had gone to In-N-Out Burger. But I believe it's like,
The
it
proteins.
looks like grilled onions for the animal style and whatever that sauce is.
Yeah, the protein style was just no bun. So
Okay,
that was like the lettuce wrap
and I was
type
like,
thing.
get out of here. I'm on vacation, I'm eating a bun.
Give me a bun.
Let's go ahead and try these.
Huge
so it's
portions.
cheese fries too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, it tastes like a mayo ketchup, right?
It does.
But, maybe it is.
Yeah, see?
Maybe it is Thousand Island.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could see the fries don't,
They don't transport well.
they don't transport well. So if you're a DoorDash person or Grubhub, I can't understand if I would get fries this way.
No, they need to be eaten fresh, like the moment they come out.
Now, to be fair, I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, okay. That's what I said about mine. Like, I'm going to eat those
Yeah.
french fries.
No, they're still good. But they could use a little bit more crispiness.
Yeah.
Maybe that's our fault, but we actually, if you don't want to eat inside, you basically just sit at the water fountain and bake.
Yep.
And it was really hot.
Yeah, it was warm.
So we decided to just come back here.
So the double-double that Josh got also is animal style. I don't know what that means because I have sauce on mine. So I don't know if
But you can see the onion. I think it's the grilled onion.
Oh, yours is grilled onion?
Yeah, that's the animal style, I believe.
Okay.
I mean, editing Josh is probably fixing this, or everyone is yelling on their screens like, you idiots.
Yeah.
But we don't have In-N-Out where we live, so we figure we'd try it. This looks like a giant burger, though.
Yeah, they're very thick.
And
it's messy.
Super messy. Like you said, I actually think the thing that's most noticeable is the freshness of the vegetables.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Some decent thick cut pickles on there. The lettuce and the tomatoes are actually good, which we just had a burger the other day and we were pulling that stuff off. This is actually much better.
I like the bun too. It's a good meat to bun ratio.
Yeah, it's really hard to complain too much about it. It just works. It's a good burger. It's not something over the top. I'm not gonna say it's my favorite burger I've ever had.
Yeah, I agree.
We are both big Shake Shack people. I would not put this over that for me.
No, I
but it's
wouldn't
also
either.
much better pricey.
Agreed. Shake
Same
Shack
with-
gets expensive. So.
Yeah, same with Five Guys. I mean, Five Guys, you can spend, I think we've done $45 for 2 burgers, a hot dog, 1 fry, and 2 sodas.
Yeah.
And so for us to get, we got 2 fries, 2 shakes, 2 sodas,
2 burgers.
2 double burgers.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, this is a good price, and it's great for the location that it's at. All right, we just wrapped up. We are finishing on our milkshakes, which I will say these are, I mean, they're right there with a McDonald's shake.
Yeah, they're decent.
Yeah. I did vanilla.
I did chocolate. And again, for $2.95, I think it was for a milkshake.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
Actually, I think that about, yeah. And obviously, we weren't the only people that thought it'd be a good, quick, fast, cheap lunch.
Yeah. It was busy in there.
I don't think I've ever seen it not busy. Luckily, the line was not all the way around the corner.
And it moved fast. Very fast.
Yes. Burgers were good. I did check. It was about 10 minutes from the door to our hotel room.
Yeah.
Eating. So I don't know that that's a crazy amount of time, but take that into account if you want for the French fries.
Yeah. I would say that was my least favorite part. But I told Josh, like, if I pick up McDonald's fries and have to wait 10 minutes, I don't like them either. I mean,
True.
they're truly a fast, quick eat thing you want to eat when they're fresh. So.
And that's one of the tough things here at this location, which is at the Link Promenade here in Las Vegas. So, you know, if you're at a regular spot, I'm sure they would be better, and you can eat them hot and fresh right there.
That's true. Burger. Would you stand in line for the burger if the line was around the block?
Around the block, I don't know.
'Cause we've seen it around the block down there at Link Promenade.
Yeah, I don't think I would do it for around the block, just because at a certain point your time is money. And so being able to get a $5 burger for that price, I don't know if it's worth it, but
Definitely probably the most budget-friendly meal we've had on the list for this.
it's true. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and X. All our links are down below.
Later.